Hi everybody, it is Artist King here, back with another video. So I am on this kick for 2022 to get better at my portrait drawings. So what I have been doing is getting images from like Vogue and Cosmo, InStyle, GQ, any type of magazines where I can get full face images of people. I've been using those to do these portraits that you see me producing. I want to be able to get to the point where I can, understand the dimensions of the drawing and be able to do something like this on a much bigger scale, and then be able to look and have everything, the eyes and the nose and everything in proportion. That's what I'm really trying to work on with these drawings, so that I can do something bigger and just be able to do it, make it look a little bit more realistic. So I hope you stay till the end of the video, because you'll see, eventually how it turns out. And this video, I believe, is only about 5 minutes long. So hang in there. I'll be back closer to the end to tell you what I need you to do. Okay, so hang on, don't leave. Okay guys, so the video is almost done. So please do not forget to leave a comment. I really appreciate those. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. That allows it, YouTube will show it to more people the more you guys hit the like button. And then, don't forget, at the end of it all, don't forget to subscribe. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, Tuesday and Saturday, so you would know when my videos are out and you'll be able to view them first. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time on my next video. Okay, all right, bye now.